Hello, this is Bruno. Uh, I think mostly people that who watch this video will be interested in two things, or maybe you don't interested in those two things. You just want to take a look for my face, and that is also okay. So what we are going to do, I would like to do a series. I would like to make a series about how to make a character generations about D&D by using Python programming. Uh, that is two cases. The first case is what is D&D. Some of the users might know it, some of you not know it. So I'm going to use a very simple way to do so. If you have played Wukong or any role-playing games, somehow maybe, or even you are very interested in the Lord of the Ring, then you would like to be a hobbit or you would like to be a humans inside the fantasy world. No matter what's past back in the day, they don't got computers, they got phones, they don't got any playing device, so they will just gather around together and then playing dice, playing characters, playing checks or minifigures, so that they are going to uh, talk about story, making characters, and then socialize to each others, and then fight, even especially for dragons. So that is what those come from. Dungeons and Dragons come from. D&D. So secondly is been facing a lot of issue while I'm playing D&D. Back in the times because it's in over pandemic and then over time that I cannot go out with my friends and then to play D&D. It's not possible at that time. So I would like to play it online and then I have very trouble by working on the character sheet, which means that the generations about my own characters. The DM is very, I would say, it's very polite. Talk about this part, and which part is define what else, and then some of the things. And then I also saw there's some videos about introductions of a D&D, but that's, oh my God, it's making me headache. It's too difficult, too many words, too many documents, too many mathematics. No, I gave up. So that is back then that times I have been facing a loss of hatreds, loss of disgust about D&D. But when I play former TVB actors called Brian's, and then we play this offline. Of course, it's after COVID already, and he told me about the beauties about the D&D. He played this since he is high school or since he was a kid, and then all the things that he created by using our own characters or pre-created characters or anything. I kind of like it. I kind of like D&D, and then somehow I fall into it, and then I invite my friend to play it as well. So I hope that this series or video you will be like D&D and also like Python as well. How to use Python code to create a simple versions of the character generations. Of course, the worst case is you will after this you will hate D&D and Python, and somehow I will give you a big sorry for this. So let's do it. Let's see what it's gonna do. As this is a preview video, the program right here, the things right here is very simple, and then maybe when we did closer about each episode, it will be kind of different about the programming, about the knowledge. So let's do the things. So let me run the program, and then I click my name, Bruno, and then I'm a male, and I just randomly create characters and then just roll dice. Actually, that is too high for the role playing because it's normally we don't get 18 or 19 something, but it's a preview video. Everyone can be changed afterward. So I just put it in this way. Okay, so I just put it in this way, and then I will create another code to make the things happen. Okay, what is the thing that I've been seeing is a character sheet. Of course, it's called a character viewer, but don't worry, it will be time by time because it's a preview video, like I said. Time by time, maybe when one day it will be like actually graphically a character sheet that we all see in the D&D games. So you can also see my name here, my gender, my race, as well as my class, so that you can also see my background, hopefully. And that is all the abilities as well as the attributes that we have. So you can also using this as as a parties or games for us to use. Of course, there might be something wrong about the abilities, about the thing is a little bit too high, I would say. But time by time, we do it and we fix it part by part. So let's see what will going to happen next. Thank you very much, and then see you in the next video.